Hello everyone, this is your Prajesh Productions and I am your Prajesh. I am so excited about what I am doing in this video because this is my first ever tutorial video. Before entering into the video, just feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and this tutorial is available in 3 languages. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So today's tutorial is about highlights, but before entering into the tutorial you must understand the concept of lighting. It seems to be a huge topic, but it's a piece of cake. So let's consider this as a ball, and if this is ball, and so let's have the light is coming from this direction. So then this part will be bright, and here medium, that is the color will be in between the darkest and lightest, and here the darkest of the color. So consequently there will be a shadow casted by the object. So the brighter parts are highlights, the medium is midtones, and darker parts are shadows. So the highlights are the pure white or the whitest colors. The midtones are shades of grey, and the darkest colors, that is the shadows, are the pure black or blackest. So like this might be a little confusing. So have this in your mind. If an object is placed before light, then only the light facing parts of the object will be lighter, that is bright. So that is the highlights. So light facing parts of an object only will have highlights. So the highlights or the brighter colors will not be there in a part of a subject where the subject is not even under the light, that is not even a bit of light. The light doesn't show up in the place, so we can't get highlights there, because there will be shadows and midtones, that is darker colors. So this is the concept you have to understand. For example, if a person is standing before sun, that is like straight from the sun, so his back will be black in color, that is his shadows. So that is black in color, and if only the front part will have highlights, that is the brighter colors. So this is the important concept that we must know before adding highlights, midtones and shadows. So now let's add highlights in Photoshop. So to add highlights, first click on adjustment layer and click hue and saturation. So now you will be getting this hue and saturation tab. Now here's the part, you have to match the color of the light, so you have to get the color. So play with hue and saturation sliders and get the color of the light. Then you have this lightness section where you slide it to the white part, so to the right side, not to the uttermost right, because so it will become pure white. That's how it works. And so have it very brighter, not full of white, so the color must show up. And then now it's the fun part where we have to paint with our own hands. So just trust your hand, and now just invert the layer by clicking Ctrl I. So now you have to clip your adjustment layer with your subject. So to do that, hold Alt and bring the cursor between the adjustment layer and subject and click. So it is clipped within the subject layer. So the whatever you do will not exceed the subject. So this is what happens when you clip it to some layers. So next, now start painting on the areas. So you have to check whether it is white or black. If the layer, that is the adjustment layer, shows up in white, then you have to paint in black to add areas and white to remove areas. And if the adjustment layer is black in color, you have to paint with white brush and erase with black brush, because you have inverted it, and that's what shows up. So next, now you have to paint it with very carefully, and you have to use the concept of lighting. So if the light comes from right direction, only the right facing parts will have highlights and not the left parts, because there will be shadows. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something useful, and you will get this same video in two more languages, Tamil and Hindi. So yeah, that's it, and signing off from a little beast or whatever you call.